Okay, we're standing out front 1333 Pine Street, Unit 3R. Beautiful Pine Street in Washington Square, Philadelphia. That's Broad Street, okay? And this is the front of the property. It's a third floor unit. Very safe. Well-maintained building. Okay, this is your front lobby. Here's your mailboxes. Okay. When I come back down, I can tackle it now. So first things first, the laundry. It's in the lower area in the basement. Now what's great is that most of the units have laundry in the unit. So that means that there might be only one or two units that use this washer dryer. So it'll always be available. This is the basement area. It'll be cleaned up soon. The landlord is finishing one more unit. Okay. It's just an unfinished basement with laundry. It's $1.50 per use for each system, the washer and the dryer. So that's the stairs we're gonna go up now. That's the front door we just came in. I'm gonna go up the stairs now. So what's great about this unit is it's on the third floor. Very quiet and safe. All the way up, that's your unit. Right there is your front door, Unit 3R. Okay. So it's an efficiency unit with central heat and central air. All these things will be cleaned out before you move in. It's the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space. Here's your closet. Okay. It's a window to a breezeway, which I'll show you soon. So deadbolt, okay, normal handle as well. Vanity. Shower. This was renovated just last year. Okay. Stove oven combo. Dishwasher. Refrigerator. Again, that's split system. Here's for emergency exit. The fire escape. It leads down to a rear patio. There's not much space there. There's no outdoor space with this unit. Okay. And all but I believe one unit is occupied here now. That's the space. Let us know if you're interested. Should go quick at this price. And Lynn was looking forward to moving in.